Hey everyone, Technomentor here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix verification failed on your iPhone. So let's get started. Now, first thing is keep in mind when you get a verification failed error, it usually means something is wrong with your Apple account, downloading apps, or even verifying an update. There could be multiple reasons. I'm going to walk through all the steps to resolve this issue. So very first thing is pull down the top menu, put your phone in airplane mode, and then turn it off and retry whatever you were doing in the verification. Does a quick network refresh. Now, the next thing you want to do is go into your setting, and then if you have a VPN turned on, you need to turn that off temporarily. You can turn it off here. You can go to your settings and then general, and then look for VPN and device management. And if you have it here, turn it off temporarily. Along with that, you want to be in your settings and then general here. And you're going to take a look at the date and time and make sure that date and time, you're going to turn it off and that is set correctly. If it's not, adjusted manually by setting the date and the time, but ideally you want it automatically set. So that needs to be correct as well. Now, after you have done that, next thing you want to go ahead and check out is in your Apple account. You want to check out a couple things from the setting. You tap on your Apple ID account here, and then from there on, you're going to verify a couple things. First of all, your payment and shipping information. And in your payment method, you want to make sure you tap on your payment, make sure the billing address is correct. If the billing address change or if your card change, you need to make sure the card is on a correct account. And then after checking those information, you want to check out any subscription. If you have any pending payments or anything that you need to cancel, make sure you cancel it there. It could put a hold on your account, causing the verification to fail. Now, after you have done that, the next thing you can do in terms of troubleshooting is simply signing out and signing back in. So you're going to go down here, sign out, and then, of course, don't erase it. Just sign out, but don't erase, and then sign back into your account to make sure the verification is working. Now, if you're still having the issue, the next thing you want to go ahead and do is update the phone software. So in your settings, you're going to go to General, and then scroll down to basically the option for software update here. And in the software update section here, you're going to go ahead and check if there's an update. If there is, you want to go ahead and update the phone to the latest version. Now, once you update your phone, the next thing you're going to do is go ahead and do a simple restart. You can use the volume up and the side button just like that. Just hold it down, slide to power off, and then turn it back on. You can also do it from the top here. There's a power icon right there. You can go ahead and click on the power icon, slide to power off, and then turn it back on. And a quick restart will fix most software related glitches. Now, if you're still having the issue, the next thing you want to check out is Apple services. So go to a browser and type in Apple system status page, which takes you to basically Apple servers. You want to make sure all of their services are running. If there is a service that's not running, for example, the Apple ID or Apple account right here, if it's unavailable, you have to wait until it fixes. Sometimes that does happen when they're doing maintenance or upgrades on their servers. You'll see that issue. Now, if you're still having the issue, the next thing you want to go ahead and do is go up here and then go into your setting. You're going to go to General and then scroll down to Transfer Reset iPhone. Click on Reset, and we do want to do a network setting reset. It will reset the network settings. This will not delete any of your data, but an important step to do as well. Now, if you're finding all of this and it is still not working for you, you're going to want to go ahead and contact Apple support. For example, for this, they can check your account. For your need to go onto any browser and just go to contact Apple support. And when you do that, it's going to take you to support.apple.com. And then you're going to tap on basically for billing and subscription. And you're going to contact them and ask for basically your account to make sure that your account is in good standing. Just to make sure you can use any of these options, and just you're going to go through the process, and it's going to allow you to type some basically a support message to make sure your account is in good standing if there's no lock or hold. And I hope this video was helpful, so please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks, and thanks for watching.